This is Agrani Krishnadas from Tirthayatra, www.tirthayatra.org, and today on the auspicious day of Sri Kaveri Tula Sankramana, that is the Kaveri Udbhava, our team is in Talakaveri. So Talakaveri is the birthplace of the Mother Kaveri. Mother Kaveri, she is the lifeline of the South Indian states. She provides water primarily to Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. As you can see, elaborate arrangements have been made into this particular place, keeping the COVID-19 health measures intact. And here, those who are coming, they have to bring the COVID-19 test certificate also. So now you are all very fortunate to have darshan of the Udbhava. This is the place from where Mother Kaveri, she emerges and then she flows down further. So you can see this silver mantapa, the small silver temple, which is from the place exactly from where Kaveri Mother, she emerges out. Just in front of that silver mantapa is a small lake, which is again covered by this silver border. And then from this particular kunda, Mother Kaveri's water, they come down here in a gomuk, and the water falls on a Shivalinga and further moves down. So I'll show you many more darshan here. So you can have close darshan of this place of Mother Kaveri. And this sacred Ashwatha tree is the tree which was planted. So this is basically planted from the shoot of the original tree, which was under which Agastya Muni had performed tapasya. Please do have darshan of this sacred spot. Devotees are all having wonderful time here. They are all preparing for many devotees, and of course due to COVID-19 lot of devotees are not allowed. So that small kunda or that small lake, which is called as Kundike, it is from here that Mother Kaveri, she emerges. So you are all very, very fortunate and very blessed to have darshan of this holy space. Although you are not being able to come here in person, nonetheless, by having darshan of this place, you should be able to take a mansik dip, a mansik snana in the river Kaveri during the Tulamasa Sankramana. And also join us on a trip to the sacred Tirthas of Kaveri during the Tulasthana, which is from October 30th to November 1st. Which is from October 30th to November 1st. Photography is not allowed here. Nonetheless, we were able to shoot. And during this time, we will be going around a lot of holy places on the banks of river Kaveri. To make your booking, call us at 98447 00850. This is Agrani Krishnadas from Tirthayatra from Talakaveri.